Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add the rotation blur video effect as a transition in CapCut PC. So, for example, I'm going to select images to the track and I set for the image duration in 1.0 seconds. Go to effect and select video effect and select opening and closing and you can find the rotation blur. So it is the pro effect. You can join properties to be able to use this effect. So just add to track and make it shorter. So and put on top between the clip, right? Copy paste and put on top between other clip. Right. So this is how you can add video effect as a transition. So this is the final result. Right. That it isn't perfect. But yeah, so basically I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please type in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.